nurse, and when you come through my hospital, don't worry, I'll let you.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh my god!
All your family members, and this is all on recording?
On the 11th of October 2025, Magnolia PD Officer Casanova stopped Crystal Tadlock, a 5-year-old ICU nurse at Memorial Hermann Greater Heights on Farm to Market 1488. She was clocked at 66 miles per hour in a posted 50 miles per hour zone.
Hey ma'am, I'm Officer Casanova, Magnolia Police. Reason for the stop, ma'am. Speed limit is 50. You were doing 66 miles per hour, okay? Any reason for that speed?
I didn't even realize I was going 66.
Yeah, you were going 66. Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm coming from a concert.
Where at?
The Woodlands.
Okay, you just heading home right now?
Yeah.
Who are you on the phone with?
My husband.
All right.
My partner.
Okay, well,
we have a baby.
Okay.
I dropped my friends off and I'm heading home. I'm a nurse.
Quick question. What time do you get there at the concert?
I got there at 8.
Okay, and what time do you start drinking?
I had 2 drinks.
Okay. What time do you start drinking?
Maybe 10.
So you got there at 8, you start drinking at 10?
Yeah.
Okay. How many drinks do you have?
I had 2.
How many alcoholic beverages? Let's put it like that. What type of alcohol do you have?
I had a beer and wine mixer.
Can you tell me 10 ounces, 15 ounces?
Less than 10.
Okay. Okay, well, I can smell a strong odor of alcohol smelling from the vehicle and your breath. You have bloodshot, glassy eyes. You have slurs.
Can you come get me?
Let me finish. You have slurred speech. So I'm going to run you through some tests to make sure you're okay to drive.
Oh my God, please. I'm
Okay.
a nurse.
I understand all that.
I've been doing this 10 years.
If you don't mind stepping down out of the car for me, please.
Yeah. I do so much good for this world.
Okay.
Yes.
Look at the light. Get to the green light. Follow it. Follow with your eyes, okay? Go right here. Look, you're not following the green light. Keep looking.
Well, I just had that shot.
I understand.
So
I'm gonna have you do. You're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this line. Once you reach your 9th step, turn yourself back around, and you're gonna take another 9 heel-to-toe steps down this line. If you understood the instructions, you may begin.
you ready?
I'm ready. 3. How many is that?
Just had that shot yesterday.
Okay. Are you done?
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008.
Okay, you can stop now. You said beer but with wine. That's what you told me earlier.
Yes. So it was like a mixed drink.
Of what?
I haven't drank in a long time because I've been breastfeeding. And
Okay.
so I quit breastfeeding about a month ago. So
Okay.
I'm very careful because, I don't want to do too much too fast because I have a small baby, and I'm a nurse.
Okay, I hear you. Alrighty. So what I'm gonna have you do, ma'am, right now is put your hands behind your back, okay? You're going a few details. Let me double lock them so they don't lock on you. Do you want your shoes?
Where am I going?
To jail.
Am I really
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to jail?
Do my favor, just
Yeah,
go with me.
I would like
Okay,
to.
I'll bring them. Just have a seat.
Oh,
Left foot up
hold
first.
on. Like, what's the
Let
reason
me-
I'm going
okay.
to jail?
Okay.
Because, hold
Do
on.
me a favor.
Sir,
Get
hold
on. Get in the car. I'll answer all the questions you want.
I
Get in the car, please. Left foot first. Watch out.
Wait, you're
Watch out.
pushing
I'm not
me.
pushing you.
48, checking welfare.
Why are you taking me to jail? Shouldn't you tell me the reason you're
Yeah,
taking
give me
me
1
to
second.
jail?
I'll play out now in just a second.
But wait,
What's up?
am I going to lose my nursing license?
I have no idea. I don't deal
No,
with any
it's
of that.
okay. It's okay. I just actually do a lot of good for people.
Okay.
So what about my cell phone and my car?
I'll bring
I've
it.
never been in this position.
Okay.
So you're kind of just like throwing me in a car and I don't know anything. Why are you so...
I don't think I've been nothing but professional with you.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, I'll be playing an audio. Make sure you listen to it.
No, that's because ICE hasn't picked you up yet.
At the window, the officer noted a strong odor of alcohol, bloodshot, and glassy eyes, and slurred speech. Tadlock admitted to 2 drinks, a beer, and a mixer consumed starting at 10 p.m., returning from a Woodlands concert. 3 NHTSA standardized field sobriety tests were administered: horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk, and turn, and one-leg stand. Tadlock failed 2 of 3. She cited a medical eye injection for Leber miliary aneurysms the prior day.
You are under arising out of acts alleged to have been committed while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place or a watercraft while intoxicated. If you are operating a motor vehicle and you refuse to give the specimen or provide a specimen that shows you have an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, you may be disqualified from driving a commercial motor vehicle for a period of not less than 1 year.
You don't have a warrant!
Alrighty, do you understand what was just read to you?
No, I don't.
Can I play it?
You cannot go through my car without a warrant. What are you doing?
Do you understand what was just read
No,
to you?
I don't.
I'm gonna be playing it for you one more time. Okay?
Play it all you want. Where's my f***ing phone? Can somebody go make sure my door is shut? Because you're not allowed to go through my car without a search warrant.
I'm not?
Yeah, you're not.
Why not?
Because you're not. No one, right? Isn't that the rules?
That's a great question, and the answer is no, that's not the rules.
Okay, well that's great because you're half American.
I'm full American.
Well, that's great. I love that.
I am full South American, by the way.
Love that. Where are you from? Brazil?
Maybe.
Ah, it's so funny, bro. You're laughing at the window. Well, I'm a nurse, and when you come through my hospital, don't worry, I'll let you die.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh my god!
All your family members, and this is all on recording?
What hospital? What hospital? So I never go there, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is it?
You can say that on recording? What hospital, so you never go there?
Yes,
you can say that.
You're literally saying that you're gonna let me die.
No, you can say that? Ha 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 ha. What hospital? You can say that?
Yes. Do you not hear me?
Yeah. Greater Heights, don't go there.
Ooh. What? Greater Heights. I don't know if that's a hospital. I have no idea. She's a nurse, though.
Memorial Hermann? Yeah, it is. It's a hospital in Greater Heights.
What's your supervisor?
I've worked there for 7 years in the ICU.
7 years? ICU?
Why are you being such a...
Because you literally just said that you don't want me there because you're gonna let me die.
Well, yeah, I mean, you're not that great of a person. I mean, come put on my shoes so I'm not so uncomfortable. Like I just told you, I had an eye injection yesterday that literally messes with my perception.
Why are you so mean?
Because because I'm not drunk. Because I'm not drunk. And I have a newborn that I'm trying to go home to. This is my...
You should have thought that before being...
I'm not drunk.
Right?
That's the problem.
You're not drunk?
That's why I'm so mean. Because I'm not drunk. And I had an eye injection yesterday that I have proof for. So that's what sucks about your decision to put me in the back of your car. I have something called Leber miliary aneurysms.
I'm sorry?
I have something called Leber miliary aneurysms. Leber miliary aneurysms that affect the periphery of my right eye. And I had an injection for it yesterday called Vibismo. And I get it every 8 to 10 weeks. I'll go blind when I'm 80 or 90. So thanks. I guess I shouldn't be driving at all. Why are you such a Your life sucks, dude. Making $70,000 a year.
What was that?
I said your life sucks. Making $70,000 a year. Being a cop pulling people over for speeding when they have a vision problem.
So you're allowed to speed when you have vision?
Yeah, exactly. I'm allowed to speed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
So great. I can pull over. I've never been arrested for speeding. I've sped many times and been pulled over.
As a matter of fact,
and had a ticket.
As a matter of fact, in Texas, you cannot be arrested for speeding.
Oh, well.
Just so you know.
So I'm arrested for what you think is called drunk whenever I have a periphery problem. And the longer you sit here and wait.
It's called driving while intoxicated.
Driving while intoxicated whenever I'm not going to blow in a machine for no reason. No, I'm not.
Why?
Because I'm not going to. Because everybody knows not to when they get pulled over, dude. It's on all the documentaries. Don't blow, don't blow, don't blow. Even if I was straight, even if I wasn't, even if I was not anything, even if I was, even if I wasn't, even if I was, even if I wasn't, even if I was, even if I wasn't. I'm not blowing, bro. Okay, everybody knows not to blow.
Okay, bro.
So y'all, they just allow you to sit here and be. They allow you to fight back.
I'm sorry?
They allow you to fight back with.
Fight back? What do you mean?
Yeah, like you're allowed to talk back to your clients.
I'm not your
like me as a nurse, if I have somebody talking to me like this, I don't say a damn thing. I just keep my mouth shut. So that's why I'm surprised. You as a cop, you just keep arguing with me.
I'm not arguing with you.
Yeah, you are. You're talking. You're saying some.
I can just start talking to you.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
And you just call my. Where's my phone?
Can I stop talking to you?
Where's my phone?
Can I stop talking to you?
Where's my phone?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Why the is he going through my car? Why the is he going through my car?
I'm screaming.
Because why the is he going through my car? You
Can you please stop screaming?
No, I cannot stop screaming because you disrupted my mother life.
That's very loud.
I don't give a.
Oh no! Stop screaming.
Oh no! Oh no! Stop screaming! Stop screaming! I have so much authority. I wear a badge, dude. Why the is he in my car? Why the is he in my car? That's my personal property. You have no idea what you're coming. What's the is your name? What's your name?
1 second.
What's your name?
1 second.
What's your name? Oh, you can't multitask? Oh, what a bro. You're a man. You can't multitask. That's the exact problem. I'm a man. I can multitask. No, you can't.
No, I can't.
My husband can't even multitask. Bro, you're why the is he in my car? This is so funny to you.
What are you doing? You want me to put you in restraints? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Trying to read my rights, bro. I just had a injection and you provided me information that I can't read.
I asked you.
I can't read it because I just told you. I see Dr. M. I saw him at 3:15 yesterday and he injected me with a medication called to help me see.
Oh no, that's not.
Oh no, that's not very nice. Oh, I'm not gonna get in trouble. Oh no, you have a lawsuit coming your way. Oh no. My excuse is to turn up loud music because I can't handle criticism because I am wrong. I've literally had no problems with pops, but the fact that you're not white is my problem. So rush me there, get me the out of your car fast. You don't even have an accent of an American. Your cop car smells like weed. I'm reporting that.
Looks like he's going 90 miles per hour to take a white woman who is not even drunk to jail. Pay attention to the road. You're texting and driving. You're putting my life at risk. Stop. You're putting my life at risk. Stop texting and driving. You're putting my life at risk. Shut the f*** up. Stop texting and driving. You're on the computer. Stop. I have a child. You're putting my life at risk. Not Christmas. Mexican. Or Cuban. Or whatever the Hispanic you are. Isn't it crazy how I have patients who literally, I just saved their lives and their husbands are lawyers and they'll be happy to protect me.
Based on cumulative impairment indicators, Officer Casanova placed Tadlock under arrest for DWI. She was handcuffed, double-locked per protocol, and transported to the patrol vehicle. She was offered her shoes before being seated. Inside the patrol car, Tadlock threatened to let the officer die at her hospital and extended the threat to his family by name. She identified her ICU unit on camera and made racially directed remarks, all while being told she was recorded. Officer Casanova played the Texas Implied Consent statutory warning per Transportation Code Chapter 724. Tadlock refused a breath sample, triggering automatic license suspension and activating the warrant pathway for a compelled blood draw. Under Wynn v. United States, 1996, any directly observed traffic violation provides constitutional basis for a stop, regardless of the officer's underlying motivation. Tadlock was clocked at 66 inches, a posted 50 miles per hour zone. The stop was lawful. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, roadside questions during a traffic stop are not custodial. Miranda is not required. Tadlock's voluntary admission of 2 drinks with a timeline was lawfully obtained and is fully admissible as evidence. Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, authorizes officers to order a driver out during any lawful stop. The exit order was valid. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, the handcuffing applied was within the objectively reasonable force standard. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, probable cause requires no rigid checklist, only a totality of circumstances. 5 indicators. Stacked here. Odor of alcohol, glassy eyes, slurred speech, 2 failed FSTs, and Tadlock's own admissions. Birchfield v. North Dakota, 2016, requires a warrant for blood draws. Texas Transportation Code Chapter 724 provides the refusal-triggered warrant pathway. Officer Casanova called an on-call magistrate at midnight and secured the order. Arizona v. Gant, 2009, limits vehicle searches incident to arrest. In DWI cases, the vehicle may contain evidence of the offense, including open containers under Texas Penal Code Section 49.031 supporting the scope of the search. Tadlock was charged under Texas Penal Code Section 49.04 driving while intoxicated, a Class B misdemeanor carrying up to 180 days in jail and a $2,000 fine. Blood alcohol results were pending at the time of this analysis. Within 48 hours, Memorial Hermann Greater Heights suspended then terminated Tadlock, citing patient and workforce safety. The Daisy Foundation removed her 2021 award page. Her Texas Board of Nursing license status entered formal review. Officer Casanova earns an A-. The stop, FST administration, arrest, and blood draw warrant were all procedurally precise. His composure under sustained racial taunts and death threats was exemplary. Minor deduction. Statutory warning pacing. Crystal Tadlock earns an F. The vehicle struck a barrier during the stop. 2 of 3 FSTs failed. Post-arrest, she threatened the barrier officer, named his family, identified her hospital unit on camera, and made racial remarks while being recorded. Lesson 1: Silence. The most damaging evidence was not a breathalyzer result, it was Tadlock's own words. She voluntarily disclosed her drinking timeline before leaving the car. Those statements were lawfully obtained and fully admissible. Lesson 2: Breath refusal does not prevent prosecution. It triggers automatic license suspension and forces the state to pursue a blood warrant. In Texas, on-call magistrates issue those warrants by phone, routinely, including at midnight. Lesson 3: The camera. Every threat, every racial remark, every admission was preserved on multiple cameras. Tadlock was told she was being recorded and continued anyway. The roadside and the patrol car backseat are not a courtroom.